Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. And today I got my Boxycharm in the mail today. Yes. Oh, this lighting is horrible. So I'm in like a different type of space because I'm actually doing my renovations to my new place, which I'm in right now because of, the flood and everything. So I'm like redoing everything over. So I'm here at night and I'm like, you know what? I just got my Boxycharm in the mail. Let me do the unboxing here instead of going all the way over to my place that I stay at and sleep at, my mom and my stepdad's place. So here we are. Anyways, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription. It actually is turning to $25 a month next month. This is the last box for $21. They have Boxy Premium, which, spoiler alert, you get a Natasha Denona like cheek palette, which is really cool. The blush shades are cream though, and the highlighters are like powder, but it's like, and they have like a cream highlighter too. It's really cute. But I would never use it, so I know like why would I buy it. I mean, it is a Natasha Denona palette, so it's like it got me there to like try to sign up, but then I was like, you know what, no, I'm gonna stay with my Boxycharm. Love my Boxycharm. Anyways, let's get into this. Oh, by the way, if you want to get the Boxycharm after all this unboxing, the link will be down below in the description box. So I saw like every variation, like majority of the variations have like setbacks and good stuff and bad stuff. So let's just get into this. This is what the card looks like, and I got variation 18. Here it just talks about the Boxycharm and everything else. It says what's in my product, my bag. Wow, I said what's in my bag, what's in my box, and the theme is After Dark. The first thing in this box I see is a Hank and Henry duo mascara, which retails for $19. And funny story, I have this already. I actually bought it out of the add-ons, so this I probably will sell in a bundle on my Macari or my Poshmark, which will be linked down below too, so go check those out. The next thing is the Mellow Cosmetics brow tint. I really wanted the Smashbox liner. This is in the shade dark brown, which is great for my eyebrows. I mean, I love eyebrow tint. You know, I love myself an eyebrow gel, but I really wanted the Smashbox liner because I always wanted to try it and I never tried it, and now I have to buy it. Okay. But for eyeliner, I did get this, which I will never use because I don't really like sharpening stuff. That's the reason why all my eyeliners that I use, the Dose Color, the Lorac, is twist. I even stopped using the Urban Decay not all nighter, but the pencil. Even though it was really great, I still had to sharpen it, and I don't really like sharpening stuff. So this I'm probably going to be putting in a bundle too. So go check my bundles out. Oh yeah, and that retails for $7, and this retails for $29. This is the iconic London spray, and I really didn't think that I was gonna get the glow one, not the original, but I mean, I guess I could get the original. This is what it looks like. Has like some glitter flecks. Oh, it does smell like perfume. It's like candy florally. So that's one of the products that I picked from the variations, and I really do like it. I actually do like it. The last product I got is Snow Angels from Dose Colors. This retails for $32. It does not have the stuff on the back, so I'm going to show you. Ooh, I'm going to open up the palette and show you how the colors look. It has like a mirror packaging. Wow. So it comes with a mirror, and it comes with these shades, which are like vibrant like my eyes, and I'm not really stoked about this brush. I really wanted this brush when it first came out, like the palettes, but it feels cheaply made. It feels like just to throw in there because the palette needed a brush. I mean, it's great for lower lash line. This part is great for inner corner, lower lash line. This is like good for packing on and, a little bit blending, but It just feels cheap. But this is one of the 3A palettes that I actually wanted from Twisted Colors, so I'm excited about that. So that's my Boxycharm for the month of October. Overall, the total is $103. It's over 100. Next month, it would be over 125. So anyways, have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and stay blessed. Bye, guys.